Okay, let's make a substitution, and I'm going to say x equals oh, I did it again, didn't I? X equals root 7 sine theta. And let's make our substitutions now. One, here I get 7 sine squared. And in here I get, let's take a look at that, 7 minus 7 sine squared theta. And now I got to do the dx. And let me write that down for you. Dx is going to be root 7 cosine theta d theta. Yeah, things look bad, don't they? I'm hoping things simplify pretty nicely, and it looks like it's going to proceed along okay. So let's write this down. I get 1, 7 sine squared theta. I'm going to factor out a 7, so that'll be root 7. And then I get the root of 1 minus sine squared, which is the cosine squared. And I'm going to put the angle theta between, let's think about it. And that's going to be cosine squared, right? So I'm going to put it between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. All right, so the square root of the cosine squared would be cosine theta times the root of 7 cosine theta d theta. All right. All right, so I'm going to further restrict these guys here. I don't want it to be 0. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cancel things. These cancel unconditionally. These cancel but not 0. And I put an interval where it's not 0. And then I'm left off with, let's see what I'm left off with. I'm left off with 1/7. I do see that. And then I see 1 over sine squared, which is cosecant theta d theta. All right, time to think. Time to think. And I do know it's antiderivative. And the antiderivative of that is actually cotangent. Minus cotangent. So I'll write this over here. So equals minus 1/7 of a cotangent of theta plus some constant of integration. Just don't know what that is yet. All right, so let's keep going, and I want to go backwards and talk about the triangle now. All right, so I'm looking at this over here, and let's put a triangle down. I say this is theta, and I got root 7, and I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. It would be x, and this would be root 7. What goes over here? The root of 7 minus x squared. Well, let's write this down. Minus 1/7. The cotangent would be 7 minus x squared over x plus c. I think we're done. Let's check. And we're looking at this, and we're looking at this, and we're in agreement. That's good. Thank you.